Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, if you have some case on your phone, do take it off. And from there, we're looking for our tray, which... where is it? Am I blind, or is this just... Yep, there we go. So just the case comes off, though I don't see any kind of like place to put your fingernail. Yep, it doesn't look like there is any place, so just, I don't know, maybe try to grab by the port right here and pull off the cover. As you can see, it starts coming off. From there, once you got it off, you can insert your SIM and SD card. Now we do have two trays for SIM cards, so you can use two different SIM cards and also a dedicated SD card. Now when it comes down to SIM cards, you will be able to use one of the smallest ones, as you can see this one, right at the top, but the bottom one will use a size bigger one. So we could use an adapter. Let me quickly see, I do have one right over here. So something like this. You just pop it in here, and then it should fit in here properly, as you can see right now. But I'm just going to be using it without it, so just pop it over here. And also, SD card will go on top of the tray for the SIM. So as you can see, there is the bottom one, and then if you place it a little bit higher, this is the SD tray. There we go, and it goes all the way. And with those two cards in place, they should start working immediately. So let's see if they are working. Looks like they're actually not. So let's reboot the device by holding the power key, restart, and this should surely fix the cards and they should start working. Okay, so as you can see, after the reboot, the cards are working. So SIM card is asking me for a pin. I'll confirm that, and I just seen the message for SD card, so let's see, there we go. And SD card is working as well. And that is how you can insert both those cards. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.